Kotoko for say oye den upa de chiremu ekosoro platform eno mfom ho de omni ma se kwesiada omo be chim eguam e wa kra S2 ha S2 asema me ken machia no ana sanete
Minia de kan ma mini kan chia Kotoko supporters omo hwe match kese da yanimu a mi gidi ye se omo prepare omo na nyame ya adoma kwasiada omo ba betai team na chi kama said ye ubisa ye no sa pepepe netie has for trimu ya yo omo de kakra every say omo free say ye ball top 4 no sa chain bi na ne de ko no omo ate no omo nte no ye no omo bi na ankoye enu ntina omo hu no say omo ate chain no but ye chrom say league chain ne de e da so ho wa when it ya say Kotoko season ni end ye no ye de ne ye wo match bo e wo South Africa ye Toyota Cup no enti an start ye pre-season ni ye but all the 3 teams you know the rest of the 3 teams you know no ma ye be 1 month has for kra de om ko share mass so just one ho and na ho na no mo yo mo pre-season ye ba ye just 2 weeks ye hill kakra ye gym ye be ye beach kakra enti satam ni ye team no engele se wo ma hu de eko
na work share mo 6 no na afina team no agele ana de
yen kanokre enkyere ye work bebia waduru no Kotoko ne has yaba ye nuanom kwaji 6 wo ho 6-1 wo ho ena eja ye kono mo so bo mpa ye se bi beto ye ena ye nso ye kwaji 5 ne de betrans enti se ye ka ye Kotoko ne has yasem na ye de has ye de work eba mu dia ye de omba mu ye futuo na wose ye de ma ye ho se work na abam no ye bebo modern see football no ye nso ye beduru o mo level no na enye se o ma hye enti ye tim ni nya enti mi hye house of folk
enti S2 nyame adoma kwesiada Kotoko fo mo be je 3 points ni nyina akọ ana mo be ye den won kran
enkran de ye ba ye ni supporters ni nyina ye ba
you question mo be den won
ye be ye no
me nyame pa
we nya so
mo be ma kele ye be ye no ma mienu
e de na mo be ye won kran
ye be ma o musika good agu ombotom ni age ye 3 points e de kom
wow
ade ye be ye won kran ano
da de esi na na e be sin esi ana
oh sama ka kire o say Accra ha ye ba no this time around no ye nkolegon ye ko your favorite pitch ne so ho ni ye ko ni ye kon so a ye 3 points ne nko ade de ko na sese nyame adum tima wo lord fuo mienu
lord hwan
lord amua na lord adabo wo bompa ye kire nyame a otie ni fast
lord adabo
na lord amua
adabo no fin
adabo say Bekum chess right yeah and buy woni jawo nyina na buy na
wo jawo no
fantastic player fantastic when you player papa na
wan phone na edi adencheche no okay good
na ni sunsum ne spirit munsu du
wan no adagbo no
u be jawo wo so ne tu onye ye wo so ne nse enye ye enti so obi aye na adwene se wo koso ne to aso ne nsa aso ne nan a onto na adwene
eno ase tresen
oh say player bia wo ne spirit o de bobo one ojira park ne so a wo fabulous spirit ne ba be hyenu mu no
fabulous spirit senate
se wunya hyegesi ni kim na awura we frimanhia na awura mu
de oti okro ye bra ye kra ye ewoma so na se tutu abebio
na ne spirit na awura mu na awura mu a ewura mu a udura Accra eno ma ye easy man
mremrem
peche se kutu se bam
se okay di game no eye se kutu
se bam
okay asem ni fie na S2 enso table asem fi chiri e dia betu se Kotoko ni has the Kotoko game no eye se kutu se bam asem be ni enti se kutu se bam de na 2 goals ana
score line dia show ha wo hwem minifa so a Minu abema sikati.
Makoni ho. Sika no won sem bebre kan.
Sikati ho meti ha. Mr. Operator ha. Which means 2.
Yeah, 5 million. You're 5 million there, how?
Yeah, I can't say what I can't answer.
Yeah, 5 million.
Yeah, 5 million.
Yeah, that's what happened.
No, as to say, asem ni fie, and I'm here, the asem aba. And I say, Scotland, a wahaya. Me guest, a wahaya me and son.
Good.
And I say, Scotland,
Good.
And I all children no say, or no, any nana kwami sikaya kotoko. And I operate and say,
yes.
And here 2-1. And operate say, yeah, 5, ye.
Monya 5. Guest in assembly.
4, 5.
Guest in assembly.
It will be a Timmy 3-2.
Yeah, can't guest in assembly. Yeah, can't host to
I'm not in here.
Yeah, can't guest in assembly. Yeah, can't guest. Yes, assembly.
Guest. Okay, S2 answer na wabanum. But S2, ya tetin sembi. Minim say oh confirm me and yamfa to ho. Ya se Kotoko supporters amu Ghana nyina no. Buffalo fo ni obia no. Mo keka mo nsa se pese mo beto Benjamin Asare ekwa Kotoko because say goalkeeper bi be fi Ghana ko World Cup se Kotoko na ochi. Na Benjamin Asare story ne say neti. Mo beto ne fi asa na.
Well, Benjamin Asare is a good goalkeeper. Kotoko nyano yepe.
What one among
ewias mo bia paade pa yegusu a eye supporters ne ye adwendwene no ma bi hu nti e bia adwendwene bibi hu no ate a there is no smoke without fire. Ti supporters in the yegusu odwene ho enya management supporters na adwene ho
se mo keka mo nsase e de abeto Benjamin Asare
supporters na adwene ho eduru so ano mbeti na yanso ya to na yebetua ne yebem na fili kumase
gebisisi a ono ope enkran ne saa o
dabi watra ha che dodo
na but sika has for bebo no mu benye bidie
ye torture still afro mu nsemo chasko ku asampontela
course na mo place ma goalkeeper no mu njai na ojiroko no yate ni nyina o
say unim bibi Benjamin akasa utimi se nakoma ewo kumase pa nakoma wo kumase o nakoma hwe ogina baabi na wu twam na wo pa fa bro so
shut out krom ha
o ka se mi be
kumase
de bitie o se Benjamin Asare
ogina baabi na wu twam na wo pa fa bro so a obetwa na ni aye the best
anti Benjamin Asare mu pa de oye Kotoko
one time was says Kotoko for me
okay S2 ensuna o ha sero na kwame meba so but for become when Benjamin Asare story no senate here because on see answer ni
na say eba bontin say Saudi Arabia for be disca bi by House of Folk almost all mpene obi anim de ntia ni nyina ne say deep down within Benjamin or no one na say obeko Saudi was it Kotoko kra be man cities no obebo obe pese obeko
ono ne kan
say enkomo aha ye kwan ho akokɔ nso nto badwam eno nti no ye ka ma ye nuanom has for to say mo nye na Benjamin Asare on say Ghana nyina obi ata na chi say me enkofa goalkeeper bia ma ogiri se de ntia e bia sida for the first time I dey goalkeeper of Free House of Folk World Cup na Ghana fo nyina touch Ghana fo nso ho am ne dɔso enya Kotoko fo ya ma menka bi cho so ukọ Bible mu a
be 1 million peso
sports minister ye ba ye na mo ne sports minister di nkomo na kuma ekosi ni na ase ye Kotoko president a otia konwa so His Excellency John Dramani Mahama o ye Kotoko ni
onka o baby a so Kotoko ni
onim ne ntia free has
all 5% so
onim ne ntia ye free has Chinese it is because of the numbers
bebre
hey Kotoko for mo so mo ye Kotoko for aha kwa se mebo
almost
e mi yi ba ko e has ni has won na kuma mu why na program ni ntimi wie no dem taso
opare me ma eba ni se Kotoko for epe Benjamin Asare has for mu be so mu saying
it's not possible
o say
it's not possible
as saying ti na
I would say utimi gba ya catch was not for you
it Kotoko nko aba dia
no there
what if
na o ko na chi hada one will be about brako na chi da
na inti ufi has Kotoko na say u retrogress u ko wechi wa abrabo
uzo ufi class 1 obeko class 2 obeko class 6 na fe utia so a utro BC wi a na utro SSC na fe uko university na utia so ko wanim na eden na professor Moa usensi ba asan beko class 4
aba
bra bay
debi wo de Kotoko aba form dodo aden
debi ho no na nyam na te ba
yo o de na kwa me kwesi ada Kotoko mo ba chrome ha da ben mo nhyehyɛ senate
in fact yes say o tamfo kra osua wasa no wahim nipa ɛna osua okasa na ɔbɔ ne hwehwehwe se ye be kyerɛ da ye ba ha de ye de nim se kwasi ada ye be bɔbɔ
ɔmo hyɛ dukrom
o se ndi o
ye de nim an se kwasi ada ye be bɔbɔ na de wo ni se
na has fo ni bi a mo chewu
ɛno yɛ ɔmo asɛm
ɛna ti o sane popo na nsuo bi da hɔ ɛyɛ de
ɔmo ka ko twa
ɛna ti bibia kyerɛ sɛ there is no way mo ba ko fa kofodua aba be fa nsawem ɛnyɛ de haya na mo
uko fa kofodua be fa suhum nso da hɔ
kumase kwa ya de ba ɛyɛ baako de yenim ni sɛ obefa amasaman obefa media amasaman achimota na
akotra asubo nsuo
nti no minim da kumase kwan ekoda adukrom
o sɛ kumase kra o ba utimi fa boase ebe fa abrodu nkwa aba be sika so a saa kwan nso ho
aha nti sɛ o na open na ba bia open na obefa hasifo no mo se ye da adukrom minim sɛ o mo na ekɔgye hɔ ma ya ye de yenim na de wo mni sɛ kwasi ada bɔ na ye bɛbɔ no kele ma menka no kra nkyerɛw nyankopɔn kra no enema nyina di adanse sɛ wo ye Kotokoni nyame sɛ ɔno na pɛ obi antimi nka sɛ nyame ayɛ bias bible mu o se ɔno na ɔpɛ ɛna ɔtan Esau ɛna ɔdɔ Jacob nti nyankopɔn ɛna Kotokofo nyina ye Jacob asefo o te bia on kenkan bible akɔkenkan Kotokofo nyina ye Jacob asefo nti nyame sɛ ɔno ɔtan Esau na ɔdɔ Jacob a ɔmo ye Kotoko asefo a okɔ bible mu a Abel asefo nyina ye Kotokofo Cain asefo nyina ye Hasefo nti sɛ nyankopɔn na ɔno ɛtai Kotoko akyi no ɛbɛtena wa yɛ nhwɛ ha sɛ asofo
Hasefo no mo Jesus no
I'm come on here me do I say edi to uze na na kwa me compose no me pechi bibia o kyerɛ nsɛm ɔbɛsɛ ɔkyerɛ sɛ nyankopɔn ɛdɔ
odi ɔse ɔno ana kai ɔse me dɔ Jacob ɛna me tan Esau
Hasefo nti Jacob asefo yɛ Kotokofo automatically nyankopɔn dɔ Kotoko
ɔyɛ Kotokoni
ɛna Esau nso asefo ne Hasefo
aha
anti nyankopɔn tan Has
nyame na ka so ɔtan Esau
ne tan no aye yesi ho ɛna odɔ ne do ne awon amama so
ye ya onim sɛ
ye yona o kan ye den
ɛwo bibiem yɛmfa toto ho ɛnyame na meka yɛmfa toto
ye bɛbɛ no so
abrat mu na mo yɛ statistics
ye bɛbɛ no so ba wonim bibi
me one bi akyi ne da se yɛbɛba so
ye on sɛ oba Kotoko team no mu ade why assist do pa abo has omu defender no Kevin Osiasi be nyame adma ogyina ne na so me stress supporters momra na mo mehwɛ
to asɛm no ka emu punchlines ngwa na otuno wo se Kotoko team ni mu no dia why assist pa ye has
defender
everything
Kevin Osiasi be fact why assist can player bia Kotoko team no ɛna Sunday nso oyɛ fit ogyina ne na so enti ɛdan a ye de o machi ko ɛbɛka for because obema assist we kra de obema mienu enya asem ketewa enti sɛ ye nuanom Hasefo ɛna unim sɛ ade ba ko ne sɛ ye se woni akokɔ da ye mpre da bre ye ban ya ye fie Ghana ye home grounds mienu baba ya right na Accra Sports Stadium sɛ ye ne Hasebo a Accra Sports Stadium ye fie ɛhɔ ye fam kunim sɛ wo fast statistics a for the past 6 years leagues are yabo no oma share just 3 pe ya share almost 6 times and yabo draw 4 mo check say enya no kra mo kan kire me enu nti say nipa we no say o bebo no ya kire nsa gu achi kra obetimi adi nkunim
ya say Didi Dramani onim Kotoko ntuo ni ntwiem de mu ye bi onim
eden ye training ye
bibi about Kotoko bibia
na ye say ono kra onko training grounds so ra wote arakoja achi
de bi say we coach club ne da
oh yes
onim bibia wo Kotoko nti de mu ni be nyina na wasom kwiam
na
ube kuchi Kotoko awo ho ukọ ya yedwira ho on se or say chrome ni ka say ye dry say boni be ka say purification ye purify ho nti de wo nim nyina na ya clean dada
but sasani de na chi still
oh onim okay no problem now no ya ko bo mfuturo mu ya ko di agro ya omunya ba ko hye ye
mfuturo no mu ye
Legon Park na I'm frozen Legon Sports Stadium
why ye mfuturo
oh na say baby ye ko boy de onim say nya yes ye enye ye
born as Asante Accra Sports Stadium am na nyon why
say esisa ko born be fufura
hey feel so ba o
enya me nwanwa because ye nya wo be bo proma mo ko sanet omo ko sanet
sanet be kan ase material omo ena omo yes omo ko sanet Saturday no na mo stadium na yempine na yempine ochina omo se that on net e de mo bi omo mesesa
ho nana Kwame hold on opare yetie nana Kwame yetie S2 eni obia sisi ano mo je Kotoko sen nyame adoma Sunday boye akensie no ho nkomo na yenhwe time mu be bie gate said e mo toto ne omanyina
kele asana mekọ unse na ye friend say sergeant kasa no
S2 ana
S2 o make a statement be I want amount for cast your mind back so that it is the same issue of criticizing and not finding meanings to certain things. They didn't have good pre-season. Okay, I said we were supposed to go to Lagos for a tournament, and they decided say we are not going.
Sure.
Because we wanted to avoid certain things like this. Once the same people and now some of the people that criticize that the management didn't take a good decision, somebody is here justifying that if they had done that, it would have given them good results. So sometimes it is not about so only decision agree. It doesn't mean that Sebi it doesn't carry value. You get
sure.
Sometimes unpopular decisions and positive results, but they be a there. This is just by the way for people to understand that and everything at all people can say oh take a decision now. Then you begin to hate at that decision because who name the foundation how they take his hard decision.
Exactly.
But say omoko we need Kaiser Chiefs in Asifu in Nano. Everybody was happy. But one say when it begins to turn like this, Obiara Befi say the off season you want something.
Sure.
And that is the kind of message football people, I mean supporters, everybody. You understanding this? Sometimes criticizing the coaches and the players and other people of the team, no, we'll be able to minimize it. It is not good. Kele, Nyame Aduma, Sunday, 4 p.m. We were deliberating enough, say, yam fanko 7 p.m. and I say, yam born at 3 p.m. But Unim say it is because of your fairness.
No.
Man City in Liverpool.
Sure.
You get it? We needed to factor it very well. And yes, and also we got any issue one shall because no more ball didn't you take it into consideration? And I went to me who's a pushy time and do all of this.
Man, you need Liverpool near that time.
I think no, Liverpool Man City rather. Liverpool Man City.
Yes. Because Man U already can't share Liverpool.
Man U so they can't share that.
So more my say
so now what near you feel say a bit my boy say na be
4:30.
Okay. Say na be a bit my boy and say even though together with FA, together with GPL people and the TV right holders, there will be a fan pack. You understand? So our fan pack, it is part of the entertainment. You feel it say a bit more boy. Emma say Liverpool game, course we will feel crowd now baha now say crowd. You are okay. Half time. What do you share or match? What's our it is okay for us. You get it?
It's a fan pack.
The fan pack on the fee cemetery Access Bank. Access Bank no opposite
car park
no. Yes. Only a fan pack no.
Giant screen you what?
Yes, because we feel that say this entertainment in it will be able to help us a lot.
On game whom you say Liverpool game
and Kotoko, you should be able at least for the first time to tell yourself that baby I do. Yan yet me come here blaster match and a stadium near my gate bubu.
No correct.
Sure.
Why can't we be the same people? If I'm not mistaken, at least has no blaster match, you know. Omo come here and about 95% and 98% has no support.
In fact, 100 cry.
You understand? Into baby I share no.
20 years has.
O de amfa no mess them bra. Into baby a o she bia no. You should be able to once again tell yourself that me person me kona me ko support to team no. You get it? Send be ya gradually the issue of yenhwebo Ghana na saying we see how they run teams, you know, but when it gets to match day attendance very poor. You can do whatever that you want to do, attendance very poor. Yeah, you see your home as an example again to prove to the world and everybody that
say you advocate for local players to be part of the Black Stars there. Then let's come and watch the local players.
That is the thing.
Because Kotoko has Niana. That
is the thing.
Operate time eko na mepe say amam fonso be free kakra. But kakra bi busa ne say you better send wo gate.
Yes, kill it me 30 cedis, 60 cedis, 200 cedis, 350 and 500 cedis.
Wow.
We took a cue from
500.
Yes.
What's any first time a VVIP price across Ropa?
Yes. When FA decided that the blaster match about 1,000 cedis or say
yes, 1,000.
Yes. There were a lot of complaints. A lot of complaints. But that day or a day before, all the 1,000 cedis it got finished.
Natio has ne Kotoko players we. Omu deserve say obi betu have 500 abesho omu.
Beyond deserving. Beyond deserving. Kele me no yeti hey. Say S2 decided say no sorry Liverpool accept no beka. You think Liverpool will listen to him?
No.
Obeka wan asem waka o dey go from me call baby. But Otiano so ka Kotoko asem the kind of people that will pick it from here into the club and onto the players and onto other places, meaning that the message make impact. So if we have Haas and Kotoko, and one year some then one year per se you grow, then we have to be able to support it with everything.
Opare Adolabi a communication officer, Kesiema Heart of Oak, and communication supporters communication team, and so members of Asante Kotoko S2 and Nana Kwame Sika.
For 30 minutes come
they be
right at here.
Operate time as soon. Finally, then
say I started on online tickets,
okay,
into the short code, star 713 star 33 star 724 hash.
And what do?
Well, some more generating,
okay,
and a bit star 713 star
okay
33 star 724 hash.
And a short code
online ticket.
Unko number bia. Inti auto online na.
Yes.
Ube remu saying.
Auto online na. Ti yamfa say why what 100 cedis, 200 cedis.
Na wo phone so.
Phone so. Ombe generate code be the amount. E be a 1 2 3 4.
Inti buy now dey.
Inti do now dey akire. No key then you go. And our system no will work without it will work offline.
Okay.
Intenya dey because internet assemble
okay. It will work offline.
Intenya
with or without the
it will work.
Okay.
It will work.
It was a star
713 star 33 star 724 hash.
Na aye Heart versus Kotoko Super Clash Accra Sports Stadium Sunday,
yes.
November 9, 4 p.m. to 6:30 p.m.
Yes.
Get ticket for yourself.
Yes.
Get ticket for other. Organizer info and go.
Yes.
Na go ni so has na share na Kotoko.
Yanchia.
Me after show entrance.
Mate, mama ka samba. Again na we. Yes, la o yanhwe ya house for no kwa J Park na boso. Ye pa mo cha Kotoko supporters baby biala mo yes le mo. O china mo me no nyame ya adoma Sunday. Mo ma ye numbers no. En no so nsene wo mo. Pokupan tertiary for no mo nkoko mo ho na jama no. Enko Benjamin Asare asum no hu se Asante Kotoko so. Your supporters no you gusu.
Okay, madam say abraso ya craft
free access.